Hey everybody, it's Jeannie, Bear Creek Massage Mama from Bear Creek Massage and Aesthetics in Bend, Oregon, and welcome back to my channel. I am actually starting a new thing of videos that I want to include. So I'm not just a massage therapist and an esthetician. I also love all things self-care, health and wellness, and maybe someday compete in a bikini competition. We'll see. But anyway, with that, I want to cook my way through this cookbook. I have this cookbook that I've got right here. It's the Bikini model cookbook. And today I am making a chicken, radish, and potato salad recipe to snack on or have for meals, lunches, or whatever during the week. So yeah, it's chicken, radishes. I love radishes. I've got sweet potatoes and all those good things. So I've got some sweet potatoes starting to boil right now, and I'm gonna cut up some chicken and some radishes and some cucumber and green onions, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Howdy there. So this is some of the ingredients that are going into this fun chicken salad. I just cut up about 400 grams of rotisserie chicken breast. I had that on hand. You could totally cook up some just chicken breast in the oven or whatever and cut it up that way, but now I need to just basically cube that up and put it into that bowl, and then I need to have those guys, wash them up and cut them up a little bit. And then I've got some sweet potatoes. I think they're sweet potatoes, but they're not the color that I thought they would be. But anyway, we'll keep you posted. Talk to you soon. Okay, I'm back. I've got some sliced up radishes, and then I got my chicken all tore up for my salad, and now I just finished boiling these little guys. So I'm gonna drain these and add them to the chicken. This is getting exciting, folks. Okay, everybody, I've got my green onions. That's about a third cup of green onions, and then a cup of sliced and cubed cucumber, and a whole bunch of radishes and sweet potato and chicken. And I'm gonna make the dressing next. The dressing is, in a separate bowl, I'm gonna combine some capers, rice vinegar, olive oil, dill, and sea salt and pepper. So I'm super excited. That's what we're doing next. Okay, I just put the dressing in. I'm gonna give this a stir, and the salad's almost done. I'm gonna put it in the fridge next to let it chill for a little bit before I'm ready to eat it. I'll let you know how it goes. Hey, I have my salad here. I've got about a cup and a quarter of the chicken potato salad with the radishes, and then a cup of spinach. So it's on a bed of spinach. And I'm ready to give this a taste test. So let's see what we think. I'm excited to try this. This is gonna be a really big bite. I really like it. The flavors of the dill and the capers with the sweet potato and the chicken, and I don't think I got a radish in there. Oh, and a cucumber. Oh my gosh. This is a really good salad. If you like sweet potato and cucumber and chicken and some spinach, this is a great salad. I recommend it. So anyway, that's what I made. Thanks for watching. Have a salad sometime. Maybe try this one. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. So thanks for watching my first video on these fun recipes in this cookbook I'm doing. I'm hoping to just basically cook my way through this thing. We'll see if I can do that. I think I want to. That'd be a fun challenge. And talk to you soon. If you have any questions about health and wellness or cooking, let me know.